Hello and good morning. This is Ananya and you are watching News Flash. Today's news headlines are as follows. President Draupadi Murmu on Tuesday presented the 71st National Film Award at glittering ceremony in New Delhi, honoring excellence in Indian cinema across multiple categories. The president also conferred the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award for 2023 on veteran actor Mohan Lal, lauding him as the complete actor who has effortlessly portrayed the full spectrum of human emotions. Let's move on to the next news. Union Minister of New and Renewable Energy Joshi on Tuesday inaugurated the first training program on solar cell and module manufacturing at the National Institute of Solar Energy, Gurugram, while also releasing the updated Solar PV Potential Assessment of India report. The event was held under the aegis of Seva Part, making a significant milestone in India's clean energy journey. Let's move on to the next news. President Donald Trump dismissed climate change as the greatest con job in the world during his address to the United Nations General Assembly on Tuesday, doubling down on his skepticism of global environmental initiatives and multilateral institutions. Scientists say climate change is real, mostly caused by humans and getting worse. They point of raising temperatures, stronger storms and melting ice as clear signs. Groups like the UN have warned that waiting too long act could cause serious damage to the planet and people. Let's move on to the next news. Bihar's rich artistic heritage has taken center stage at the 7th edition of Prime Minister's Memories e-auction, with 40 hand-picked items from the state, including striking examples of Madhubani painting and Sikhi art, now open for bidding. The annual auction, organized by the Ministry of Culture through the National Gallery of Modern Art, Delhi, offers citizens a chance to own gifts presented to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Since its launch in 2019, the event has seen thousands of items, from handicrafts to sports memorabilia, go under the hammer. Proceeds from the auction support from the Namami Gange project, which declined to the rejuvenation of the river Ganga. Let's move on to the next news. The Uttar Pradesh government has ordered the immediate removal of all the caste reference from police records and public notices following an Allahabad court judgment aimed at eliminating caste-based discrimination, officials said on Monday. Caste-based rallies and public events with political motives have also been banned across the state, while social media content promoting caste pride or hatred will be closely monitored, they said. That's all for now. Stay tuned and keep watching News Flash. Thank you.